Could everybody walk through today's video? In today's video, I am going to hook up the fan control relay for my LS Vortec swap. One of the first things I'm going to go over is wiring up the relay itself. Easiest way is wire by number. Ignition will go to pin 86. PCM, which is a ground, will go to pin 85. Fan is 87. The ground from the fan will get grounded to the frame or body, and battery goes to pin 30. I also picked up this waterproof relay and housing, which will work out quite well. And along with the wiring, I picked up a resettable breaker, which will help with the installation. First off, going to start off with the fan wire. I have it set up so the red is going to go positive and the white is going to get grounded to the frame. So now I'm going to run a positive from my battery block right there. It's going to go down to the circuit breaker. So the battery will be hooked up to pin 30. So in my relay, it's this red one. So I just got it taped together. So I'm just going to bolt it onto the breaker. The positive wire from the fan will go on my relay on pin 87, which corresponds to the blue wire. Your ignition on power wire will go to pin 86 on the relay, and on that one it corresponds with the white wire. Once again, power when the ignition is on. So the PCM sets out a ground, and that's how the fan circuit works. So that's pin 85, which is a black wire on my relay. So for testing purposes, before we solder all the connections, I'm just going to ground the relay with the ignition on and see what happens. Now that I verified and tested that it works, I am doing the last wire. The ground is being soldered into the PCM, and then all my other connections will be soldered and heat shrinked in, and then tied into the system, bolted down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really quick and simple to install the fan relay into your LS swap, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.